Welcome to the Brightlands Startup League Kickoff Event 2025.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so very much for attending this Brightlands Startup League.
The guest speaker, Thijs van Meulen, it's such a great story.
So today I have 30 minutes to tell you the fairy tale of United Wardrobe, the company I've later sold to Vinted. From 10 transactions a day, we went to 100 transactions a day.
The masterclasses were great. People are here, you really see a nice community, you see the connection with people, people find each other just by walking around and networking.
It's so important in founding a startup is that you have a hippie, a hacker, and a hustler.
Instead of trying to be a founder and doing everything by yourself and all alone, it's good to find very complementary people. I find it very professional. I think it's good to see that in a region like ours, it's very easy to have smaller events and not have the critical mass. But now by joining forces and getting everyone together, we can do something with a lot of impact. So I'm very happy to see that.